Hi aspirants, welcome to aspirants class. This video is of class 2 of environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change. Before going to class 2, let us recall what exactly we discussed in class 1 of environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change. In class 1, we discussed about who is considered to be father of ecology in India, what is ecology, what is meant by ecosystem, what is biome and how biomes are formed, what is habitat and what are the components of habitat, and we also learned definitions of eurythermal, stenothermal, euryhaline, stenohaline, and we discussed why temperature is significant for an organism. Now let us move on to class number 2. In this class, we are going to know about homeostasis and various possibilities of how homeostasis is accomplished. We know that an organism adapts to the environment in order to survive. And during the periods of stress or unfavorable conditions in its living environment, an organism endures it because of a property called homeostasis. What exactly homeostasis means? In biology, it is defined as a property of cells, tissues, and organisms that allows the maintenance and regulation of the stability and constancy needed to function properly. Now let us know how homeostasis is achieved. Here we will discuss four possibilities. They are regulate, conform, migrate, and suspend. Regulate, conform, migrate, and suspend. So let us know these four possibilities of how homeostasis is accomplished. Regulate. Some organisms are able to maintain homeostasis by physiological means. We know that humans maintain a constant body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. During summer, when outside temperature is more than our body temperature, we sweat profusely and the resulting evaporative cooling brings down the body temperature. When the temperature is much lower than 37 degrees Celsius, we start to shiver, a kind of exercise which produces heat and rises the body temperature. So here humans regulate their body temperature. Now let us know about the second possibility, that is conform. Majority of animals and plants, they cannot regulate their body temperature just as we humans do. They just change the body temperature with the ambient temperature. Hence these are called as conformers because they conform with the ambient temperature. Now let us know about the third possibility, that is migrate. Here, whenever an organism faces stressful period in its habitat, it moves away temporarily from that habitat to a more hospitable area and return when stressful period is over. The best example we hear is migratory birds. Now coming to the fourth possibility, that is suspend. Whenever there is stress or unfavorable conditions, organisms suspend their metabolic activity, reduce their metabolic activities, or suspend their physiological activities. And how? Bacteria, fungi, and lower plants, during unfavorable conditions, they form various kinds of thick walled spores. And during the during the stress period, higher plants, seeds, and other vegetative reproductive structure serves as a means to tide over periods of stress. Under suspend, we generally hear these terms called hibernation and estivation. Both the terms mean same, that is state of inactivity. Hibernation and estivation, the definition is same, that is state of inactivity. Then what is the difference between hibernation and estivation? Hibernation is called winter sleep, whereas estivation is called summer sleep. So hibernation is seen during winter, whereas estivation is observed during summer. And there is another kind of suspension, that is diapause. This is exhibited by zooplankton species in lakes and ponds. They've entered this stage called diapause. It is a stage of suspended development. Thank you for watching.